Hi everyone. Okay, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys. Wherever you are, welcome to Vantage webinars. Okay, London and New York section. Okay, and so as usual, all right, that we're gonna start out with the disclaimer first, all right. This webinar is purely educational and nothing in this webinar should be construed as investment recommendation or trading advice. So please do your own due diligence before trading. Okay, and risk warning over here. Okay, trading forex and CFD carry significant risk to your capital and is may not suitable for all investors. Okay, and a little bit about myself. Your host today, some of you guys should know or you may not know me. Okay, my name is Peggy. I'm an investment analyst and a prop trader at Everest Frozen Group. So why do I spend most of my time analyzing the market, spotting trading opportunity and building strategy to stay ahead of the game? And what does the like prop trader mean? So basically, just want to keep in short is like I trade on a prop firm in the firm capital. I'm not trade with like the client's money. That's why I need to have really strict risk management. Just follow the firm rules. And how I earn the money, just earning from the trading profit, and then they were gonna have the profit split 80-20 or 75-20, 75-25, depend on the prop firm. Okay, so basically you need to pass the challenge. Step 1, step 2, you follow all the rules, you pass, they will give you the fund to manage. Okay. Okay, good. I say just looking at the London and New York section. Okay. Okay, so the agenda for today, we're going to cover introduction to ATR, how to calculate ATR, splitting ATR in trading, using ATR for trade entry and exit. Okay, this slide will be quite short, about 4 to 5 slides, and then I think I will bring you guys to the chat. We're gonna practice together. Okay, so introduction to ATR. So basically ATR stands for average true range, is a volatility indicator developed by J. Wells Wilder to measure market volatility across all the assets and time frames. So let's say if you want to trade gold or other assets, okay, if you want to trade on H1, H4 or D1, you just have to look at the ATR on the specific time frame. I will teach you guide later. Okay, and ATR does not indicate trend direction. Instead, it reflects the degree of price movements or market noise. Okay. Okay, here. So how does it work? So if you were to look at the ATR, I'm gonna get the picture from this slide. Yeah, hang on. I'm gonna place somewhere around here. Hang on. It's somewhere. Okay. At least you can see the what I'm talking about. Okay, you can see that. Move up a little bit. Okay, so how does it work? So an expanding ATR reflects increased market volatility, indicating larger price range. for each bar. Okay, a price reversal with rising ATR suggests strong momentum, although ATR itself doesn't reveal a direction in it could indicate either buying and selling pressure. High ATR, okay, value here you will see the ever high ATR usually result from the rapid price movement. It could be bullish move or bearish move. It doesn't mean when you see the rising ATR, the market is a bullish. No, sometimes it could be the bearish move, okay, which are rarely sustained. Conversely, low ATR value signal low volatility and often seen during a sideways or consolidating market, which might proceed a continuation or reversal. ATR is useful to setting stop loss and entry trigger, unlike fixed stops, and it adjusts to market volatility using a multiple of ATR like 1.5 or 2 ATR help capture significant price move. I have an example over here, which is here. Okay, we're gonna look together. Okay, I'm gonna have example of gold. Okay, look here, they will say that whenever you see the ATR is increased, meaning that you can see the market has volume or volatility, like over here, somewhere around here, you will see that market have bullish move. And after that, if you look at the ATR, okay, this is a H4 time frame. Whenever you see the ATR, okay, it's a kind of like no volume right here, meaning market is sideways. Okay, and another one as well. When you see the ATR here, it's kind of like slope down like that. It doesn't mean it's a bearish move. It means price have very strong volatility at the specific period, which is this like this area here. Okay, like from here to here, like here to here. Okay, it works totally different from RSI and stochastic. Okay, if you pull out RSI over here, you know the RSI we use for measure the overbought and oversold, so it works differently. Okay. Oh, we're gonna use this set by default. Okay, right from here, where should I look? Where my ATI here? Okay, look at this price from here in H4. Okay, if you're going to look here, right, you would see that for the this zone is like the bearish move, right? If you were to look at the ATR, they would think, oh, it's like the bearish. No, it means price has volatility here to go down. Whenever you see either the ATR is slope up or slope down, meaning that there has volatility in the market. Okay, sideways I already show you, could be a sideways here, right? Okay, you can look for the EUR USD as well. Okay, let me look at the EUR USD here. Okay, you will see from this move, right? From this move, and you look at the ATR here, meaning the increase in volatility, bullish market. This is coming down, doesn't mean when you see ATR doesn't mean that it's a bearish. Okay, actually it's a bullish move. Okay. And how you're going to calculate the ATR? So basically, I keep it very simple whenever I want to use ATR to place my stop loss and take profit. Okay, for example, here, oh, where is that? Um, Okay, I put it the wrong side here first. Okay, for interpreting the data in trading, so basically they will take the high of the day and low of the day, and then you like minus. I should just show you this here better. So the ATR determine the take profit point and stop loss by looking the how much ATR at that specific time. If you trade in H4 and look at H4, if you trade in H1, you look at H1. For example, okay. I'm gonna use this for example, but just want to keep it simple. Let me just use this for, let's just take for example for gold, okay? I move right here. I have two methods for you to use the ATR. One, if you want to calculate, you can use the, let's say, you will see that, okay, I'm gonna sell gold. Based on H4 time frame, the ATR is about 17.9, or could be you can just use the mouse to hover over. It's about 17. You look here, either you look here the number or you can look here the numbers, okay? Like you use the mouse to hover over at the candle, it's about 17.98, 17.91, 17.91, 17.72. This is just average. So what that mean? I'm using the ATR of 14 period, meaning that in H4 candle, you just count back in 15 candle for H4. If you take H1, okay, and then gonna be every candle should be just count back in 14 candle. If you use D1 candle, that's gonna be 14 there, 14 there, 14 day. Okay, you just count back 14. Okay. Over here, if you want to kind of have the fast ATR, you can just be reduce to 10. Okay, but I'm using 14. But if you want to kind of longer uh, ATR, those like for swing, you can use like 20. So it's up to you, but I just do the default setting, which is 14. Okay, now I'm gonna use a H4. Okay, let's say we're gonna calculate here. You can use the opening price of the current candle. Okay, let's say, but I take it very simple, but I will show you how to calculate first. Okay, for example, here, before the candle, they will say the open price of the current market. Why the open price? My open price of current candles of 351. Let's say 3531. Okay, that would be 3531. You know what to get, right? You can the H4 here. The opening is this level. Let's just say 3531. Okay, plus minus like a few point. Okay, and then you use the ATR. Just now the ATR would be like I just like round up, which is 18. So they will say that either this is for profit taking, you can put 1 ATR, 2 ATR, 1.5 ATR is up to you. In this case, we just easier just take 1, okay, 1 ATR, okay, equal to, let's just say 18. So you're gonna use 18 plus, this one's gonna be for the buy entry. Whenever see price gonna be for the buy entry, gonna equal to, let me count. Let's see. 3531 plus 18. That's gonna be 3149. Okay, T149. And what about stop loss? Let's say we're gonna use one ATR. ATR equal to, we're gonna plus, just not plus, no, this gonna plus. I'm gonna minus 18, also one ATR, for example. You're gonna get 18 minus 3531 equal to 3531 minus 18, 5153. Oh, 3513. Okay, so this is the number for me. If I'm gonna sell at the price just now, okay, I will set 3513, my take profit, and stop loss 3549. That's gonna be my stop loss in H4. I'm using H4, but my entry, okay, it's gonna be when price is pulled back here. Okay, so my sell zone, which is I'm looking at this level. So here is my entry, okay, and you can aim here for your take profit, which is at H4 time frame. Stop loss you put 3549, or another method easy for you, no need to calculate. For example, you already get the ATR in H4, right? You get the ATR, which is 18 in H4. Okay, now let's say I'm gonna enter my trade right now. Let's say you enter at 3537. Okay, let's just say we sell at 3537. Okay, TP that would be 3537 you minus 18. That would be 3519. Okay, SL. You get 35, which is your entry, 37. You plus 18 because you want to get 1 to 1 ATR. Okay, SL will be 3555. So this gonna be your 3555. That's gonna be your stop loss. I change to red color. Okay, and your take profit is gonna be, oh no, here 3519. Here, meaning just now we sell here, right? You'll see that. I will take it at 3519 if you sell just now. Oh, sorry, somebody asked me. 3549, which one? Oh, yeah, 3549, correct. So now I adjust a little bit. Okay, this is, I'll get in H4. Okay, if you want to measure here, you will see that the R is like 1 to 1. Let's just say 1 to 1 because it depend with like 1 to 1, correct? What if you say that, okay, the stop loss is too far, it's about 200 pip, this is also 200 pip, you think it's too far, what you can do another one is that, let's say you trade on M15, okay, your entry at 3537, the ATR in in M15, that will be, you can look here, or you can look here, it's about 4. You can either you look here, okay, or you can just like check 4.29, 4.1217, 4.45. Okay, I just take either 4 or 5. Then doesn't matter because just average. So I just put 5, easy for to calculate, okay? I just say find ATR in M15. Okay, so in M15, since our entry at 3537, I'm gonna get the minus, which is my take profit at 5. My TP at where? If I already hit my take profit, where? 3532. Already hit my take profit, right? Scalping, 50 pip. And where is my stop loss? 3537 plus 5. 5354, 3542. This is my stop loss. Okay. And now you sell, you already hit the take profit. You see that? This one, we just get one ATR. If you want to get two ATR, what you need to do, you just take 5 ATR here. Okay, multiply by 2, that's going to be 10. Meaning that you think that, oh, my stop loss is too narrow. I just want to put at above swing high. What you need to do, you just take 3537 plus 10 equal to 3547. Okay, for stop loss. For 7, right? Your stop loss and the take profit. Okay, you also want to have two ATR. That will be 3517. No, 10, right? Should be 3527 minus 10. Okay, price falling toward your take profit. Okay, this is for gold. Okay, I will show the example of EU. Do you think that you price gonna hit the take profit here, meaning that price falling from here and here, that gonna be how many? 110 or 100 pip or 1000 point. If you sell one lot, if you take profit, you would have earned 1000. If you short 0.1, that's gonna be $100. Or you short with 0.01, gonna be $10. Okay, so the risk and reward is the same. So if rising and hit stop loss, you lose 1000, you lost 100, or you lost $10. It depends on your lot size. Okay, this is how you can use. To me, I take it really simple. I just go entry and I just set ATR, look here and set my stop loss and take profit. That's it. But if you think that, oh, that is too far for like too close, then you can use the H4 ATR, and of course your stop loss will be bigger, but your risk and reward will be greater as well. Okay, now let me do together on EURUSD. Okay, let's look at the H4. Where's our ATR? Okay, the ATR is about 294. Let's just say your ATR is about 294 to 290 302. I just put 290 easy. So that would be 0.00295. Okay, 0.00295. Okay, 295. So let's say um let's say we sell. Let's say we sell here at the resistance level. Okay, let's say you sell here at the resistance 1.16371, right? Okay, and your TP and SL gonna be, the ATR is, oh, I forgot my ATR rate. Where's my ATR here? They put no? Okay, never mind. The ATR is, oh, here. I'm gonna put 1 ATR equal to this one, okay? So you just get 16371 just minus 295. So your TP would be 1.16076. Okay, and SL gonna be 1637 plus so your SL gonna be 1.16666. You're gonna do stop loss. You can see that this stop loss placed above the next resistance level. Okay, and we're gonna get the take profit at 1.16076. So this one is can help you to prevent to get like wow. And what did you see that? Oh, you would have hit your take profit already, right? You see that it's almost hit your take profit. And then you can see that you sell here. Okay, you sell here at the resistance level, you sell this level, and you can see that your stop loss is placed above your next resistance because this one is could be next sell zone, right? Let's say you sell here, you can see that the ATR for the H4, because we enter in H4, right? You can see that it's not hit your stop loss. I'm not talking about this week, okay? I'm talking about this entry. And you see that then you sell, that gonna be almost hit your take profit. So what we need to do if price already falling, you just chip your stop loss. But where you gonna chip your stop loss, you need to go to the either lower top rate M15, it might somewhere here, but sometime price might go back up here, okay, and then continue to fall, like might go sometimes might be rising and then falling again, but sometimes it might go to where to your back to your entry because this is your bearish OB, okay. So when you see like that, you can use the trailing stop loss, okay, trail until here, for example, price might hit your stop loss, and now it rising, gonna hit your, at least you sell from here, you would have earned the distance from here and there. But if I don't put the 95, just take a 90, I think you would have hit the take profits already. Okay, so for the ATR, like I just mentioned, it help you, it prevent you from getting like stop hand or like stop out, or you have no idea where to place the stop loss and take profit, and then you can use the ATR on that specific time frame that you trade. If you like to trade in M15, then you just use an M15, but of course M15 you should know where your entry, okay. For example, on a higher time frame, you know that this is your resistance level, okay, and you miss the entry. You miss the entry, you did not enter, okay. You can put the pending order. Let's say if you want to put the pending order at this level, and then you take this number, which is 1.1628. Let's say you want to put the pending 1.16283, okay, and the ATR is about 60, 47, 60, 47, 47, 60. Okay, we just get roughly at 0.000 50. So meaning that TP and SL, your TP will gonna be 1.1 6 2 3 3. Yeah. And the SL will be 1.1. Oof. Okay, 1.1 6 2 no 3 3 0. One point one six two three three. They're gonna take profit here. Okay, upper green and stop loss. Gonna put the black color. Stop loss will be 1.1630. Okay, here, right? Meaning you have a pending order here. Okay, you wait. This is your pending order. Pending order sell. Sell here. Right? So this is your TP1, for example. And this is gonna be your SL or stop loss. Okay. So you can see the price is rising. Okay. So this is gonna be your sell entry. Okay. And if you think that stop loss is too narrow, you can just use 1.5 or you can use 2 ATR. It's up to you. Let's say I would say that I think my SL is maybe too tight because I might think that price could go all the way to the zone, and then you can just adjust the stop loss. You can get 1.5 ATR or 2 ATR, and then the take profit you can take a 2 ATR as well. Okay, just for example now, let's say I'm gonna wait to sell the EURUSD. Okay, let's see. In this one, I'm using M15. Let's say I want to sell. So this is my trigger, the entry. Here is the entry. Should be the wick in the body. So the pending order, you could put here. Okay, it's miss. Let's say you miss. Because this one could be the pullback. If I'm gonna look at the M15, it's the wick and the body should be here. Okay, this should be your entry. Let's say this your zone. Okay, let's say this your zones, the wick in the body and price is trigger. Let's just say you have like order here, trigger your pending order sell. And then you set the fee pip, it's almost here you take profit. Let's say it trigger is only like 2 pip. Okay, that will be like scalping one, just the idea. Okay, but usually I will do this when I'm using gold, but whenever I trade, okay, I'm gonna look in H4 by looking at the key level and then press the stop loss based on the H4 time frame stop line take profit. Okay. Okay, let's just say it's already hit your TP, right? You can see that it already hit your profit. It's like TP here. This is just for example. Okay, guys. You can try, you can try with like other instrument if you want to. Let me go back to XAUUSD. Okay. Just now what here price is falling. Now go back up again. So I'm not gonna use this. Okay. What do you think about gold? Okay, if you would like to see those like time zones, okay, you can use the indicator. I'm recently using this toolkits, okay, for the time zone like Q zones. So, but of course, if you go to H4, you can't see, right? You can't see. You need to go to M15, and then now I can see, okay, for now I'm gonna look for the EU. For the EURUSD, okay, by right, this is I'm gonna wait for price to come to this zone. I'm gonna buy, okay, I'm gonna buy at this zone, okay. I think price has bounced from that level because this is the demand zone, okay. But if you're gonna look at the EURUSD based on M15, you will see that price still like break below. It is break below, haven't break below the wick body must close below. So I'm wait for price to go in the zone and then I'm gonna buy. Okay, which is this zone somehow also has the I would identify the support level within the zones. Okay, so this is going to be high probability setup here at the zone. So you wait for price to pull here and then you're gonna buy, and then you can use the ATR to place the stop loss and take profit. Okay, within this zone, the ATR at H4 it should be around 302. Yeah, 302, 305, 3010. Just use the mouse to hover over, and then you can set the pending order, take profit. Either you put at the resistance level. Okay, let's say we're gonna put the pending order. I'm gonna use the pending order. I'm gonna sell. Oh no, I'm gonna buy. I'm gonna put a buy limit. I'm gonna put the buy limit. Product spread is up to you. I will choose 1.1588.6, let's say. Okay, I'm gonna use the only one ATR. ATR. The ATR would be 294. I would just say 294. 294, 313, 302. So I just easy for us. Just take 30. That would be 0. That is just an average, okay? 0, 0, 3, 0, 0. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So our TP SL. So what I need to do? 1.5 x6 minus for the stop loss. 0, 0, 3, 0. This one gonna be my stop loss equal to 1.155x6. Okay, and take profit, you just take 1.15 x6. I want to plus 0.00300. 1, that would be 1.16186. Okay. Okay, my take profit here at like the low that they break below. Okay, if you buy here, this one is TP and SL gonna be 15586. This one gonna be my stop loss. So meaning that if gonna buy here, put a buy limit exact this level. This one gonna be my TP at the low that it break below. Stop loss put below this swing. Okay, this gonna be risk and reward 1-to-1. Okay, meaning that if we're gonna think that price gonna break below this level and continue to go down to our demand zone or bullish OB here, and you could just aim for first TP at the low because this used to be the support level. If price really break below, pull back, it's gonna be our pullback resistance level, right? So you could aim here first, and after that you can aim for 2 ATR or 1.5, or this could be your next take profit, which is that would be 2 ATR. Okay, this is 1 ATR here, 2 ATR over here. This is going to be your next. Basically, this is your second resistance. This is your, if price can break below and close below, this is your first resistance level, which is your take profit. Okay. Any question, guys? Yeah. For the same, similar to this gonna be my entry, meaning that I want to see price falling to this level. Okay, you will see that I would think that in these zones, either this zone in the London session in M15 price respect this OB, right? You can say this respect the OB, and from here price you make a lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and still lower low. It's either I would think that would be something like that, right? It's what in a trend line or in a channel, but price come and respect this bullish OB in M15, and now it's currently rising more than 10 pip now. So it's already taken here. I kind of still wait at this level, and this one, it used to be our support level, now it become your pullback resistance, right? So I expected that price gonna fall to this OB here. Okay, so if you want to sell, okay, if you want to sell, okay, price may be pulling back either this level or maybe around this zone again, okay, in the lower time frame. Higher, I'm gonna target If you want to sell, right? If you want to sell, you're gonna target here. And this is second resistance or second resistance in H4 could be here. That would be OB at this zone, supply zone here. Okay. So if price break above 0.5857 here, this zones, meaning they might change momentum or they might change to the chain of character example. But actually, if I'm gonna look here and then I would identify this is my support. Let's say I would identify this my first support here, okay, and I highlight the zone. This is gonna be the support zone. If you go down to the lower time frame, okay, you will see that price somehow make a break of market stronger ship here. Okay, let's say price was falling, have kind of rejection at 61.8 here. Okay, so basically this gonna be our buy zone, right? But then price all the way down and another sell entry, which is at order block which has 78.6%, and the ATR here based on M15 is about 48.0048. You can get 0.04x. So you can take the number or you can take those like pending order here and then plus ATR and you will get a take profits for the buy entry, and you minus ATR, you will get a stop loss. Okay. You get what I mean? Now, can we sell? Based on here, can we sell? High risk. Let me look. Oh, dollar is falling. Okay, that's why you will see EU is rising on the low time frame and Kiwi dollar is rising. Okay, let me see if you want to sell. High risk, if you want to sell, you can sell here. You set a stop loss above this high. Let's say I will sell now at the market price now at 58574. Let's say we sell at 58574. Okay. I will put a set SL, TP. Let's say SL would be 40. I'll just ATR 40. That would be 40 0.5865 or 64. 4. Yeah. 58574 plus 40. No, wait, hang on. 0.5857 plus 0.0030 VOIC. Yeah, that would be 622. Eight five 4 minus 4, 8, 2, 6. Around that, okay. 26. So basically, I just get the ATR from this number, okay, and it put plus minus. Let's just put the stop loss. I don't know the x 0.5 x 622. This is gonna be my stop loss, okay, for the sell entry. I sell, meaning if I sell now, it's gonna be my take profit as music. Yeah, take profit or TP. Okay, meaning if just now I will sell at the market price, the red color one, here I'm in for my take profit. That's on 5 pip and 5 pip there. Okay. Any question, guys? Meaning that either I put my stop loss. Let's say I'm gonna put the short here. My stop loss remain the same. 1 hour here, I could aim for 2 or 2.5. If 2 ATR, my take profit gonna be here. You can look here, right? Risk and reward ratio is here too. Okay, or if you think that stop loss is too tight, and then you can adjust to get, so right here should be 1 to 1. So you just adjust according to you need the entry. Okay, these are the entry. For example, if we sell now at the market price just now. All right, guys. Now it's time for you to ask me the question. Any question? Any area you guys unclear about? You can let me know. Okay. Nobody? Okay, now you can request. Okay, that will be end of the ATR. You can just try it yourself and see whether it's work for you. But to me, it's worked quite well where I'm going to play the stop loss and take profit. Okay, but usually I will use in H4. Okay. So, okay, that's a question. So you usually use one ATR, not two ATR as in the slide. No, for in the slide, it just for example, okay, easy for me to like show you, okay. But in real life, you want to use one ATR, 1.5 ATR or two ATRs, up to you. Just in this slide, I just use one here, one ATR is easier for me. Just want to show the example, okay. But usually, one ATR is good enough. I mean, risk and reward, you can get 1 to 1. Or if you think that you want to put a stop loss only one ATR, and then you want to get a profit at 1.5 ATR, also is possible. The ATR, the number, okay, on M15, you use the amount to hop over, and that is your ATR here. You get this number. If you want to get TP at 2 ATR, you just use 0.004x multiplied by 2. Or if you want to get the stop loss at 1.5, and then you use this number right here and then multiply by 1.5. Okay, risk and reward is gonna be more than 1 anyway. Okay, you can try. Okay, this just for example, I'm using one ATR, but usually people will use 1 or 1.5. 1.5 for stop loss, or 1 ATR for stop loss, 1.5 or 2 ATR for take profit. Okay. 29. Now it should be London section. If price pull back here, again, you may consider to sell or up to this level, 40, 41. I think now XAUUSD is ranging again, is the same yesterday, ranging in M5, which is yesterday is what ranging here. Whenever you make the all-time high, right? Yesterday here is what ranging here. Okay, all-time high in Asia section. Okay, and London sell it was sideways or somewhat going up. And then in between the London and New York section, you can see it's keep rising, bullish, all the way in the all-time high here in the New York section. And again, it go back up again and make the new high in the Asia section and come back again, it's ranging. You see that? See here, same. Looks similar. It looks similar to yesterday here, right? Oh, where is that? All-time high. Yeah, somewhere around here. Where did I say just now? Oh, yeah, sorry. Here, okay, it was here because I was doing my live trading. Okay, I'm looking, it's like price did not go. I catch the sell here and then it was ranging. After that, you can see it's break below this support level or the box, and then you can see the pullback at 3490 and all the way down to 3469, and after that London section coming up. You can see the all the way up there, and it's what within the New York's PM. Go back up again and it's ranging. I think it looks similar like yesterday now. Either they're gonna break below, because if we're gonna look at market structures, okay, for this entire for the M15 move, right? Price still within the ranging. I mean, they are sideways. It need to break below this 35.26, or it will bounce off from this level. If the body can close below, meaning that this one could be market structure shift. Okay, it was like that. Price still make a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, just a kind of lower low, a lower high, but it cannot make a lower low. From here, they go up. The body need to close below, somehow pull back here, other maybe consider to sell, meaning that there is a market structure shift here. But it's not, right? Like it's not, it's just ranging in M5 again, similar to yesterday Asian section toward London section. Okay. All right, guys, that should be all for today, guys. Thank you so much for joining the webinars. I hope to see you guys again on Monday. Okay, every Monday I will do live transaction, and Wednesday was about educational section. All right, guys, that should be all for today. Thank you so much for joining. Hope to catch up with you guys again next week. Okay, bye for now. Take care and good luck to all of you. Bye, guys.